morning, you guys, even though it's not morning. But do you ever wake up and wonder, what should I have for breakfast today? You're sick of the eggs, you're sick of the bacon, you're sick of the pancakes, and you wanna make it really fast. So continuing on our little air fryer journey, today we're making a cinnamon sugar French toast with a little bit of a twist. We're gonna be using a croissant bread, which is gonna make it even better. And as you know from the last video, using an air fryer is gonna cut down the time by almost half, maybe even more. So I'm really excited to share this recipe with you, and let's get started on our cinnamon sugar French toast. So the first thing we're gonna start is preparing our little stations, just like we did for the chicken katsu video, I believe it was. So we're gonna be doing the same thing here. We're gonna be creating our little egg station, our little sugar and cinnamon station, and we're gonna be dicing up our croissant bread into little French toast bites. So let's get started on our little stations now. I just got a flashback from the egg whites.
I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck.
I thought, oh no. Sorry, we're not doing that today. We're gonna be using the whole egg this time, and I'm gonna be using around 3 eggs for this recipe, but honestly, it really depends on how many little French toast bites you wanna make. I'm beating the eggs. We're beating the eggs. I don't know what it is about beating eggs, but like, you know, like that weight distribution that you feel when you do it? You know what I'm talking about? I don't know, it just feels good. Like, it feels like I'm getting like a nice forearm workout. We're about to add the dry ingredients here. So we're gonna make a nice little bit of sugar. A spoonful of sugar does not help the medicine go down and ends you up in the hospital, probably. All right, we're gonna set the sugar aside. And then I'm gonna add some cinnamon. And this is up to you of how much you want to add. You can also add some ground nutmeg to it. You know, you can get spicy and add some, honestly, whatever you like on your French toast. I'm just gonna mix all of this together so it's combined. Honestly, just this smells really good on its own. I'm actually going to preheat my air fryer while I cut up my croissants and start doing the dipping process, because I want to make sure that this is hot enough so when we place it in there, we only set it up for around 3 to 4 minutes of a cook time. So let's do that. So I'm going to turn on my air fryer and we're going to preheat it at 390 for 4 minutes. And we'll start. While the air fryer is preheating, we're going to move on to cutting up our croissant bread into little bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna take, I don't know, like maybe 2 loaves here. This looks delicious, just on its own. I'm gonna cut little strips. And here we go, we have 6 strips of toast. Now we're going to start assembling our French toast. We're gonna put it back on this little cutting board. And by then, our air fryer should be preheated so we can start the cooking process. So I'm just gonna dip the bread in the egg, get it nice and soaked, and then we're gonna pop it over in the sugar, get it nice and soaked on all sides. Nice and coated, excuse me. My English is not so good today. It's almost like the croissant bread is, you know, getting a little bit of a beautification. Oh God, this already smells so good and it's not even cooked yet. Oh, these look so good. And it's perfect timing because our air fryer just finished heating up. What was that French chef from The Little Mermaid? Enough goofing around here. All right, we're gonna start placing our French toast bites in the air fryer. So come along over here and I'll show you what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna be placing all of our French toasts in our air fryer. Actually, a perfect amount. It's like I've done this before. Now we're gonna be placing this back into our air fryer. I'm gonna keep it at 390 for, again, 4 minutes. And we'll be back in 4 minutes. Our French toast is finished air frying in our air fryer. So we're gonna take it out and oh my God. Not only does it, I mean, it looks nice, but the smell smells like Disneyland churros over here. Oh my God, this smells divine. So here we are. Here are our cinnamon sugar croissant bread French toast made in the air fryer in under what, 10 minutes altogether. And I have some maple syrup here. If you guys love maple syrup, you can drizzle it on, or you can make like a little side of maple syrup where you can just grab the cinnamon French toast sticks and you can dunk it into the maple syrup. I also like it sometimes with some honey, but today I'll add a little bit of maple syrup because I don't like them too sweet, and it's ready with cinnamon and sugar. So I'll add some to the side so we can have a little taste, and we should be good to go. Let's take the first bite. I'm gonna dip it in a little bit of that maple syrup that I had on the side. Oh my God. There's nothing to say. It's fluffy inside. It's crunchy on the outside, a little bit caramelized even. Almost like, you know, that creme brulee sugar layer on top? That's what it tastes like. Oh my God. This needs to come with like a side of liposuction, because if I continue to make this at home, I'm gonna need 2 cameras to film me. This should be illegal. I swear. You wanna try some? I'm gonna have our cameraman.
Mystery man. That was pretty damn good.
Pretty damn good. I have to go in for another bite.
Here's a plate.
As you guys saw, this was another super quick and super easy meal to make in the air fryer for breakfast, for, again, your friends, if you have kids, if you have a girlfriend who's nagging you and you know that she just needs a little bit of sugar, this is the perfect little, you know, dessert for her. You get the point. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoy these little air fryer series that I'm doing, and I'm gonna be coming at you with more of them because, like I said last time, they're super easy, minimal cleanup, and you get almost like restaurant ready meals in half the time. So it's a win-win, like I said before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.